There's a claim that has come in from Karnataka where a JDS MLC has claimed that during some time that they had actually saying that stray dogs is a menace, and during his time in charge at some point they had killed 2,800 dogs in Chikmagalur and that they had buried them under the trees. So this is what this council member SL Bhoje Gowda, who has said that it stirred a new controversy with this claim being made of killing such a huge number of dogs and burying them, and he in fact said that animal lovers are the menace.
ನಮಗೂ ಕರುಣೆ ಇದೆ ರೀ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮನೆಗೂ ಬರೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ.
ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಟ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯಾಧಿಗಳು ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ರಿ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ
ಅಳಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪಾಪ ಗೋಳಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಓದ್ತೀರಿ, ಟಿವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ವಿತ್ ನೀವು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಾಳಿ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಬಂದು ಇಡೀ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೆಸರು ಬರಲಿ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಜಡ್ಜಿಗಳು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಜಡ್ಜಿ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಾಂತಿರಲ್ವ ನೀವು. ನಾನು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಆದನು. ನನ್ನ 2800 ನಾಯಿಯನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಂಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಹಾಕೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅವ್ರು ಸಾಯಿಸಿ ತೆಂಗಿ ಮರಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಉಣಿಸಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಯ್ತು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ರಿ, ಈ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
All right, let's go back to Deepak. And Deepak, that's quite a startling and controversial claim. We do know that it's against the law to kill dogs in this manner, but he is saying that during his time in the municipality in Chikmagalur that they had over 2,800 dogs killed and buried under trees, and he goes on to say animal lovers are the menace.
Well, he was discussing about the larger problem of dogs biting young children and the elderly, and him coming across reports of the same on a regular basis, and he was urging the government that they should give a detailed report on the same. Now, while he was of course making this statement, he goes on to say that there are several people who talk in favor of animals and animal welfare groups, and they are a menace or a problem itself. And he then says that there should be many dogs who should be left in their homes, and then talking about the entire menace and how he dealt with it when he was the head of the Chikmagalur Corporation. He says that with meat there was something that was laced in it, and then eventually dogs were buried under coconut trees, and he says even if it means that he has to go to jail for the safety of children, he doesn't mind that. So quite a controversial statement. On one hand, of course, it's an important issue that's being raised in the Legislative Council in Karnataka, but on the other, to make a statement so bizarre, now whether this is something that will blow up in his face in the days to come is something that remains to be seen. But he says he did that for the safety and the welfare of the children who are suffering daily because of dog bites and the menace at hand. And he's also saying that the Karnataka government should petition the Supreme Court. This is pertaining to the previous orders which prevents removal of dogs from their normal habitat into shelters, and says that Karnataka should become a beacon of sorts and an example to other states across the country as well by doing something like this.
All right, Deepak, quite a controversial comment to make, and but just shows how this issue is such that there's so much feeling on either side. We do know the dog lovers, that an activist who claim that if you follow the rules and do the animal breeding, the animal program to ensure that dogs are sterilized and vaccinated, that's one way of controlling the numbers. So give us an idea, given that this is such a huge issue right now in Delhi, in Karnataka as well. Over the years, it has time and again become very, very controversial.
Well, absolutely, and it is a real menace. Just yesterday we had college students who were attacked by stray dogs. They were hospitalized. We had an incident again in Mandya where 2 young children who were playing outside their house were attacked by stray dogs. So it has been happening. On one hand, you have animal rights activists who go on to say that there should be a balance. There should be a proper work that should be done. If they want to move dogs to animal shelters, it should be in a phased, proper manner where there are facilities which are good enough to have these dogs stationed there. There should be programs to neuter the dogs, vaccinated dogs. Without doing any of this, to inhumanely pick them up and dump them in a room is not the solution, is what some of the animal rights activists are saying. On the other hand, here some of the BJP leaders have been quite vocal about this issue and say it is a menace, the government has to deal with it. But as far as the Congress leaders, including Mr. Siddaramaiah, is concerned, now he was of the opinion that the Supreme Court, as far as their verdict on the Delhi Municipal Corporation at least is concerned, was not exactly right to say that all the dogs have to be moved into a shelter without facilities being provided. So it remains to be seen how the government here really reacts, because it is a problematic situation. There are no real animal shelters here where dogs can be relocated. So it is a concerning issue, and we'll have to see how the state government deals with it in the coming days.